F. Homestead.
Today is Friday, November 8th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back to Python TV. Lucas?
What?
The morning announcements?
To that later. This song is really good.
Whatever. Now to the important announcements. Lucas, I'm about to hit him with a 3-piece combo. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day. Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go!